Welcome to Mighty Car Mods, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Toyota, a car that's set to redefine what we expect from modern vehicles. Whether it's about cutting-edge tech, futuristic design, or incredible performance, this machine is packed with everything you need to know. Let's get started. The 2025 Toyota is more than just a car, it's a statement. Toyota has taken their signature approach to reliability and practicality and blended it with a futuristic design that demands attention. From the bold front grille with integrated LED lighting to the sleek, aerodynamic body lines, every detail has been designed to turn heads. The sharp LED headlights not only look stunning but provide exceptional visibility. The 19-inch alloy wheels and an aggressive rear spoiler add to its sporty yet sophisticated vibe, making it a standout in any setting. Inside, Toyota has reimagined the cabin to deliver both luxury and functionality. The interior is spacious and equipped with premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats and soft touch surfaces. A massive 14-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, featuring Toyota's latest infotainment system with seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in virtual assistant. The digital driver's display is fully customizable, providing everything from navigation to performance data at a glance. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a relaxing atmosphere, while a panoramic sunroof opens up the space, making every drive feel special. But this car isn't just about looks and comfort. The 2025 Toyota comes packed with impressive features. From wireless phone charging and multiple USB-C ports to advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, Toyota has ensured that this car is as smart as it is stylish. There's even a dedicated app that allows you to control certain features remotely, like preheating the cabin or checking the vehicle's status. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota offers a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.5L engine with an electric motor to deliver 250 horsepower. This setup provides smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and a driving experience that's both fun and practical. Toyota's engineers have fine-tuned the suspension system to ensure a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding mountain roads. And with an all-electric mode for shorter commutes, it's an eco-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on performance. Toyota has also made safety a top priority with this model. It's equipped with their latest Safety Sense package, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features, combined with its sturdy build, make it one of the safest cars in its class. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota starts at $35,000 for the base model, with the top-tier trim coming in at $45,000. Considering the level of technology, comfort, and performance it offers, this car delivers exceptional value. It's not just a vehicle, it's a versatile companion for families, commuters, and enthusiasts alike. Its eco-friendly hybrid engine, coupled with Toyota's legendary reliability, makes it an attractive option for anyone looking for a future-ready car. So, what makes the 2025 Toyota special? It's the perfect combination of innovation, style, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a car that's efficient for everyday use or packed with tech to enhance your driving experience, this Toyota has it all. That's it for today's review on Mighty Car Mods. If you're as excited about the 2025 Toyota as we are, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of this car, and would you take it for a spin? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.